Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. So there are days when you get a beautiful motorcycle in and yeah, I don't know where to start. It's 1964 BMW R27, absolutely stunning. Apart from its condition being absolutely immaculate, just look at the styling of this bike. I'm going to put this in the top one or two pretty bikes that I've got in stock today. This is just absolutely gorgeous. It's lovely. It really is. Absolute gem. So yeah, like I say, it's a 1964 BMW R27. They're a 250cc, and the restoration on this has been spared no expense. It's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. There's no point in me walking around the bike going there's no scratches here, no scratches there, because the bike is just overall fantastic. You know, almost to the point where if you took the number plate off it and lined it up with new bikes, you'd think BMW had done a modern retro type of thing. But just look at this thing, and wait till we get to the spares and stuff like that with this bike and the paperwork. You're not going to believe the quantity that is with this bike at all, so stay tuned folks. But yeah, just look at this beautiful bike. Everything about it, the detailing, the way it sits, absolutely gorgeous, and it rides lovely. I'm not going to do a start up today because, as usual, it's got no fuel in it. We've drained the fuel out of it, but just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Really is beautiful. I do like these period of BMWs. Loving the single seat, the spring under the single seat, you know, jam pots at the back, just gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, I'm letting the bike talk for me basically. Just, I don't need to say anything about this. That is just an absolute gem of a bike. Just look at that. How pretty is that, folks? 1964 R27 from BMW. So like I say, about the parts and paperwork and stuff with this bike, so let's just, I am not running through each part we've got because there's stuff here that I don't even know what it's for. There's this box here. All these Tupperwares that we passed by are all full of spare nuts, bolts, bulbs, you name it, the spares of it. So we've got what? There's that box there, there's M4 there, that's got a filter in it, some cables there. Not even sure what that is. All this stuff. Another box here, wiring harnesses, spare headlights and what have you, another pump, some rear shocks, another box of spare parts, another box of what's in there, R27, tells you exactly what's in each box. There's bulbs and stuff in there, and a clutch plate there, some more spares there, special R27 tools, so a box of tools specifically for the R27, a box of various gaskets, another box there very well laid out of shims and all kinds of stuff in there, another box. It just seems to be going for endless. And then as for paperwork, well, just look at that lot, folks. It's just halfway down my corridor. You know, I'll come to this end, I don't even know, I ain't even read all this. It'll take me a week to read all this. There's a owner's manual, parts catalogues, service manuals. You know, it's extensive. You know, all this kind of stuff. There's details about where's what being done. It is just unbelievable quantity of paperwork. Very well detailed, very well documented by the previous owner. It's unbelievable. Not had a bike with this level of provenance and parts. I mean, there is actually two more boxes just there with some other bits and bobs in oils and fluids and stuff that I've kept out. You know, it just seems to be endless. So yeah, if you are thinking of buying this bike, come with a van. That basically is my words of wisdom. But what an absolute gem, and a credit, absolute genuine credit to the previous owner. That is a well built bike to a very, very, very high standard. That is a real gem. You know, I just love this pump. You know, it's got a pump down. Yeah, everything about it is just gorgeous. So before we get too carried away with this, this bike, which is beautiful and it is lovely to ride, I will tell you that. 1964 BMW R27, 250cc in stock. We can offer nationwide or international delivery for you, not a problem at all. Excuse me. Finance is something we'd have to have a look at on an individual basis. If you've got any questions on this bike or any of our others, don't hesitate, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishillmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at this gem, not a problem at all, but if you're travelling, please call ahead. I can make sure there's some fuel in the bike, I can get it out, we can start it up, that type of thing. Yeah, just give us a call, you know, more than welcome to pop over and have a look, and we'll grab a coffee or a cup of tea while we're doing that. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate your support. And what do you guys think of this bike? I think it's an absolute peach. So yeah, there we go folks. I'm going to leave you with that, with a quick silent view of that bike. There you go. That is beautiful. So until next time, stay safe out there folks. And if you don't forget, if you're passing Doncaster and you want a cup of tea, I'll get them in. Cheers for watching. Have a great day.